Hello. Okay. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Weptech Academy. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to edit like a pro in Photoshop. How to edit photos like a pro in Photoshop. Alright, and it's gonna be short and it's gonna be very creative. Alright, I have this picture of this beautiful black African, pardon, sorry. I have this picture of this beautiful black African, but we have one little problem first, which is the pimples. So most people, they always have a problem on using pimples, removing pimples from faces, because sometimes you have to use the eraser tool, sometimes you use the spot healing tool, you use the spawn tool, all those tools, and also the cold stamp tool, but sometimes it deforms your picture. So today I will show you a faster method in which you can do this in a lesser period of time with lesser stress. So to do this, first of all, you need to go to our website Weptech Academy on our shop page and download this beautiful app called Skin Finder. It's only 500 francs. It's not even up to $1. This app Skin Finder, you have to go here and download it, and the download steps are very simple. Immediately you click on add to cart, they will show you uh they will show you the carts, and you proceed to payment. It's just 500 francs. It's not much for what I'm gonna be teaching you here. You have to fill your information. Immediately you are done filling your information, you have to add I have read and agreed to the website terms and conditions. You click on complete payments. So sometimes it takes a lot of time. So remember, this app is very important that you download it. For this is very important that you download it. Once you are done, you just have to write your name, you write your Gmail, then you write your phone number, and you click on pay with mobile money, and it's all done, and you can install it, which is very easy to install. I already have the app, so I'll just proceed to where I have to install it. Alright, here is Skin Finder. The first thing for you to do is to install this one, Skin Finder. Then after, you click this one, you copy it, and you paste it in Skin Finder local disk C. Yeah, alright, you just paste it there. You can copy the steps, which is this PC. From this PC, you go to local disk D, program files, and Skin Finder. This after which you have installed it. Alright, once you have installed it, you have to close your Photoshop, then you open it back. And I also forget to mention that on the Weptech shop page, you see a lot of good things there that you can get for yourself. For example, if you have been having problem with fonts, we have 5,000 fonts at your disposal, still at just 500 francs. And still on this page, you also have free stuffs for you to download. Yes, we also have free stuffs for you to download. We have some at just 100 francs, like this 2023 typography text and all the like. You see, we have birthday Christmas flyers here for free. You can go and download and you enjoy the other apps and other courses that we have. So back into our course. So I have this picture here, and I need to show you how to edit this like a pro. So how do you do that? The first thing that I will advise that you should do is to use Ctrl J to copy, so that you can compare the before and the after. So now, after you have done this, you have to, when you have installed it, close your Photoshop, you open it, you have to come to filter, you come to photo toolbox, you see Skin Finder. Then it's gonna take a little bit of time to open. Alright, immediately it opens, it's doing it automatically. Just you look at the face. If you have it, you are free to go and check the other picture. You see it is already done automatically. So now in this case, it does it automatically for you, but in this case you can zoom in to look at what is happening on the moisture of your of the photo that you are editing. Then now you can choose to retouch these stuffs here. See, it fits your context. Then you can also play with the color of the skin by coming down here and touching it. For me, I will not touch it because it's okay for me. Then you can also apply presets. If you hide the one with highs contracts, you click it, it's gonna give you exactly that. If you want the one with lightening, you click it, it's gonna give you exactly that. You want the one with medium smoothing, you click it, it's gonna give you exactly that. So it's your choice on what you wanna do. So after you're done, all you have to do is to click on OK. When you click on OK, it takes a little bit of time to adjust. Beautiful. This is my before and this is my after. Now just a little bit of tricks. You can now go to, it's your choice, go to camera raw, you try to touch, which I'm gonna show you how to do that right here. Okay, so I will want to first of all see I can play with the black a little bit. When I'm done, I also like to see I can touch the moisture of the face to be a little bit detaily. You have to touch the beautiful. Then also you can also notice the red on her lips. So we have to touch the saturation just a bit. I'll touch the saturation just a bit to increase the red on her lips. Then I'll click OK. Then that is basically the tip. So this is my before, this is my after. So photography editing is very good when it comes to Photoshop, and this skin finder is a perfect tool because it helps you a lot. It helps you just a lot when it comes to removing pimples from the face. So I will allow my tutorial here for today and now, but it's your choice. For example, like retouching this thing, using the pen tool to crop out the face and editing it, which is very easy. You also have more tools to use on like the dodge tool and stuff like that, but the tutorial today was for the how to remove pimples from faces, make your face smooth, which is this, which we have done it. So see you in the next tutorial.